tayo kasama si
Idol Kitchi, ang Idol 2 and 1. Siyempre, nandito kami ngayon sa Market Activity Center para sa gaganaping press ko ng pinakabagong original series na
Secret
Ingredient. Pinagbibidahan ito ni Julia Barreto kasama ang Korean actor.
Oo, si Samon Lee. At siyempre,
ang Indonesian actor na si Nicholas Saputra. Na pinakabagong original series ito na mapapanood sa View Philippines.
So, syempre, abangan natin yan dahil balita ko daw, may pagka-cross-cultural yung
yes,
atake. So, malalaman natin yung bawat kultura na meron iba't ibang lugar. Wow!
Oo naman. So, mamaya makikilala natin yung mga cast nito at kailan ito mapapanood.
Yes.
Yan naman yung dapat abangan, mga idol.
Yan. Kaya ano pa yung natin? Simulan na natin ito. Tara na!
During the press conference, syempre merong mga pasilip na performances from Alamat. At hindi lang yan, may mga pag-games din dito na talagang naman Gina G kami ni Idol Kitchi. And by the way, no, yung mga games namin is an entry for a raffle. And imagine niyo, nanalo pa ng raffle si Idol Kitchi. Wow! Of course, is sponsored by Ladies' Choice and more. And of course, View Philippines. Nakakahiyaman pero hindi ko nahulaan ng pin code na ito. Better luck next time.
Okay, ready na ang kalabasa.
Idol Kitchi, ano ginagawa mo dyan?
Idol Kitchi, siyempre nagmamagaling ako.
Ano ba yan? Secret ingredient ka dyan, ha?
Tama ka dyan, kasi ala Julia Barreto ako ngayon. Ay! Julia Barreto!
Ay, Julia Barreto! Kasi ako si Samon Lee.
Pwede ba mag-switch muna tayo?
Sige. Samulan na natin.
Samulan natin, tara. Sige.
This project marks an historical milestone also of bringing Filipino food to the world stage through a Korean drama, right?
Why did we partner with View? It's because we really believe in this endeavor of capturing how food can be the ultimate love language, as Jappy has said, speaking to people of all ages. On behalf of the entire NOR and Ladies' Choice teams, congratulations to View for a job well done. I can't even begin to talk about how beautiful this production is just by watching the teasers.
From a radio station, I would like to ask lang ito, if you will be asked to compare your character, si Maya, into a dish, what kind of dish?
Oh, okay yan siguro, I'll stick with adobo. Sa totoo lang, kasi ako personally yun yung favorite ko, and if kung bibigyan ko ng dish din si Maya, sige, two things, siguro adobo and sinigang. Tapos pag pinanood nyo yun, makikita nyo kung bakit.
You know, thank you so much, Julia Barreto.
Yes, binitin ba kita?
Bitin na bitin. But thank you so much for that. Thank you.
Here's to reaching new heights, our incredible team and the masterpiece we've crafted together. Secret Ingredient is just the beginning of our journey to even greater accomplishments and bigger partnerships ahead, to the future and all the wonders it holds. Cheers.
At syempre, sabay-sabay natin pagtutunan yung mga cross-cultural na inihanda nila para sa atin.
Once again, ako si Idol Kitchi, Idol 2